guys, so recently I decided the time was right to do a little bit of spare tire tub maintenance. So this video covers all of that. As you can see, I used the Rhino ramps and I'll have a link in the description. I think we never really pause to think about the spare tire until that unfortunate moment when you really need it. But do we really need a spare tire? More about that in a minute. So the spare tire is held in the tub by gravity and that long threaded rod that I just disconnected. This thing is heavy, so it's kind of awkward to get it out of there, and as I mentioned, my car is raised with the Rhino ramps, so that makes things a lot easier. Now trying to do this on the side of the road might be a different story, so keep that in mind. As you can see, the tub was a little dirty, just sand, dirt, leaves, dead bugs, that sort of thing, and but I'll take care of that in a second. And the liner also, I'm going to detail that a little bit. The spare tire is no donut. That thing is a full-size rally rim, 15-inch, with a full-size tire. And it still had some remnants of the original stickers. The rear portion of the tub is held by those threaded rods. There's one of them, and they can be removed if necessary. And now it's time to do a little cleaning. To some, this may be a little bit of overkill, but I think it's really important to detail everything really, and it ensures durability. Things remain in good condition, and eventually the next owner will appreciate that. And the outside of the tub should also get the same level of attention, if not a little more. The liner between the gas tank and the spare tire should also get some love. let's weigh the spare tire. And as you can see, that's 52 pounds of dead weight. So I decided I'm not gonna be carrying the spare tire around anymore. This is completely temporary. I still have to find a better solution for this. That bolt, hanger, whatever you call it, doesn't move, and this thing is not going anywhere. So I think that part is taken care of for now. The reason I added that rubber cushion was to prevent any rattles and noises, because the weight of the tire is not going to be there anymore. And by the way, if you own a Corvette, get the right factory assembly manual. So taking into account the 52 pounds of dead weight plus a little bit of corrosion on the rim, I decided to leave the spare tire out. And I also ordered a set of tire plugs. And I already had a 12-volt compressor, so that will do in a pinch. I decided to reinstall the tub because I don't want that thing taking up space in the garage. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.